Hey, beauty seekers! Want to brighten your smile without the hefty dentist bill? Today, I'm sharing the top 7 home teeth whitening methods you need to try. 1. Whitening toothpaste. It's probably the simplest method out there. Whitening toothpaste contains mild abrasives or chemical agents that help remove surface stains. Just replace your regular toothpaste with a whitening version and use it twice a day. 2. Whitening strips. These are thin, flexible strips coated with a peroxide-based whitening gel. All you have to do is apply the strips to your teeth for about 20-30 minutes daily, and voila! Do this for around 2 weeks and watch the magic happen. 3. Whitening trays. You can get custom-fitted trays from your dentist or buy an over-the-counter version. Fill the trays with whitening gel and wear them for about 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on the product. Just sit back, relax, and let the trays do their thing. 4. Whitening pens are another great option. These handy pens contain a whitening gel that you paint directly onto your teeth. Apply the gel after brushing and avoid eating or drinking for a short time afterward. Perfect for those on-the-go touch-ups. 5. If you're into DIY, try baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive, while hydrogen peroxide bleaches stains. Mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Brush your teeth with it once or twice a week for some impressive results. 6. Oil pulling. Swishing oil, like coconut oil, in your mouth is believed to reduce bacteria and plaque. Swish a tablespoon of oil in your mouth for about 15-20 minutes daily before brushing your teeth. It might sound strange, but many swear by it. 7. Dietary changes. Reducing consumption of staining foods and beverages like coffee, tea, red wine, and berries can help prevent discoloration. Rinse your mouth with water after consuming these items and consider using a straw for drinks that can stain. Now, some important tips for safe whitening. 1. Avoid overuse. Excessive whitening can lead to tooth sensitivity and enamel damage. 2. Consult your dentist if you have concerns about the safety of a product or if you have sensitive teeth. 3. Maintain oral hygiene with regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. There you go. 7 fabulous methods to achieve that dazzling smile you've always wanted. Remember, results may vary based on the individual and the type of staining present. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips. Catch you next time.